Hi guys, sorry that I have to make two videos. I only have a maximum of 15 minutes to record. But this video will be really short and sweet because, like I said, this exercise Year 8 13.4 is literally exactly the same as 10.4 in the Year 7 textbook. It's just the questions are slightly harder. So this question, I want everyone to pause the video now and do this question yourself. This is very similar to the one we did in 10.4. It's just I think they're literally almost exactly the same. Pause the video, do the question in your book, and now I'm going to show the answers. Check your answers, make sure you've done it correctly. So these are the answers. Make sure you've written it exactly how I've written it as well, because that's very important. And I'm going to do one more question with you guys. This is about cards. Again, very similar to the other question. I'm just going to double check something. So this is about, yes, a deck of cards. Be familiar with what a card deck has. So a card deck has four suits, hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. Two red, two black. It's each suit has king, queen, jack, 10, all the way up to 2, and then ace. So there are 13 in each kind of suit, giving a total of 52. So if you're unaware, if you're not sure what a card deck actually looks like, have a Google and see what the deck is like and be familiar with it. You might have some card decks lying around. If you do, they'll be even more helpful. Alright, so I'm just going to flip the video. Just give me one sec. Okay, so this question is asking a card is drawn at a random from a standard, well shuffled pack, so obviously it's not in order. Find the probability of drawing a club. So A is, remember the way you write is important, capital P, you just write club, and in a deck of cards, actually I might show you a picture, let me give you one second. Alright, so I've inserted an image of what a deck of cards actually look like. You've got clubs, spades, hearts, and diamonds. So the probability of getting a club, so these are the clubs. So remember this 13 out of 52. You can simplify this further to 1 out of 4 because 13, when you divide it by 52 or into 52, goes into it 4 times. Part B, a king or an ace. So that means if you were to pick a card, if you get a king or an ace, so it's both. So probability, you write king or ace. Oops, my writing. Ace. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 kings and 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. So you add them all together, giving you a total of 8 out of 52. And like I said again, make sure you simplify as much as you can. So it can be simplified into 2 into 13. Part C, not a space. So that's the key word here, not. That means we're eliminating all this and we're looking at that, that, and that. Remember there's 13 in each one. So you would write probability of not a spade, which in this case is 39. 13 plus 13 plus 13 is 39 out of 52. I can simplify that to 3 over 4. This question also says express each answer as a fraction as a percentage. So we've done that. We've expressed it as a fraction. And if you guys remember, in order to express a fraction as a percentage, you just multiply it by each one by 100 because percentage is out of 100. So you can use your calculator to do this. That's totally fine. So for the first one, a quarter of 100 is 25%. 2 out of 13 times 100 is roughly around 15.4%. And for the last one, 3/4 of 100 is 75%. So this is how you express it in fractions, and this is how you express it in percentages. Okay, guys. So literally, that's all it is. I think the main difference between this chapter and the Year 7 chapter is putting it into percentage form. So remember, anytime you want to convert it into a percentage, you multiply that fraction into by 100. And again, use your calculator to do that. Now for the rest of the lesson, I want you guys to attempt these questions. So from exercise 13.3, questions 3 and 4, and questions 13.4, sorry, exercise 13.4, question 5. And check your answers at the back of the book. Correct it yourself, and then we'll discuss these and any other questions you have. We'll discuss it in our next Zoom. All right, thanks, guys.